So lots of queries coming in on China, looking at the rally, right? Saying, how do we take equity exposure to China? I don't know if it's even warranted or advisable.
At best, it can be a trading bet. But I don't believe it can be a long-term allocation because, you know, there's been a lot of policy flip-flop.
So there are global funds that invest in Chinese equities or Hong Kong equities, but many of them are closed because there are, SEBI limits, right? So
what I understand is there are two feeder funds in India, as I understand it, have limits. One is the Edelweiss Fund, Greater China Fund, and the second is the Nippon Hang Seng ETFs. Both these, as per my understanding, have limits. So people who want to kind of take a position can do it through these funds. And the other route is obviously you can go through the LRS route and buy a fund which is investing in emerging markets or China specifically.
Sometimes when something becomes very cheap, right, it can go back to close to fair value, and like Ashish said, it can be a trade. But structurally, I think they are behind the prime is behind them.